I'd like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy, LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, LSCR254. Man, you tune in for another one. About to head out here into the garage. There she is, looking good. Cutlass popping up. Cutlass popped up, looking good. Boots on deck, you know what I'm saying? C10 thing, see, you can see there's some shit that moved around. You know what I'm saying? For everybody to check out that video, you know what I'm saying, burnout video. I admit it was me. I was in these streets. You know what I'm saying? A little camera caught the footage. So if y'all ain't checked that video out, man, make sure y'all go check that out. A little Buick thing right there, Review gang. But yeah, man, I just want to bring y'all an update here on this box Chevy. As y'all know, I told y'all I was gonna get some assistance getting this headliner together, man. So that's what I did. I did not record the whole process. However, I did take a couple pictures. I'll put them in like right here if I can find them. If not, then I'll just explain the process of what we did. So basically what we did is we took the old headliner, or the original headliner that we got from the junkyard, took the headliner and cut a hole in the middle of it for the headliner that goes around the actual roof, right? So, after cutting off the edges or whatnot, and having only the flat part, and then bonding those two together using some Bondo glass, fiberglass, resin, etc. I also had to reinforce it because if y'all know or don't know, man, the headliners in these box Chevys is real. I mean, after 30-something years, you know, of course they're gonna be fragile and rigid as shit. So, yeah, pretty much. Anyway, man, without no further ado, man, let me go ahead and take you inside so you can see the vision. There is still a little bit that got to be done. You know what I mean? So as you can see, kind of just got stuff everywhere again. Back in construction mode looking at it. But as you can see, the headliner is up there. Got a couple of the sail panel pieces in there just to kind of see how it's going. Trying to make sure everything was going to line up where it's supposed to line up. So yeah, that'll give you a better, let's even back it up some. So yeah, that'll give you an idea how it's going to look right there. Headliner installed. There's a light that goes right here. We got our wires ran so I can install those. Shout out to my dog Cortez coming through, giving me a hand with this. Let's see. What else? Yeah. So yeah, eventually, I mean, I know y'all see that back there sagging, but it just got to be tucked off in there. And then, what else? That's pretty much it. Yeah. So y'all let me know what you think, man. I think it looks good. As you can see, like it looks good. Looks good. In the front, because the headline is up there now, you know, we just kind of had the switch hanging. So what we had to do was pretty much bring the wires for that down the side. Once we brought them down the side, now we can pretty much run the switch right here, wherever we want it to be. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put it at yet. Might put it, I don't know, down here. Might put it up here. Honestly, I don't know. That would probably be the ideal spot. If I put it right here, then it'd be like boom right there. So I don't know. We'll figure it out when the time comes. The main thing was to just get everything situated. Once I put the pillars in here and everything, and those I hold up the drain tubes and that'll hide all this wiring, etc., etc. As y'all know, we still been working on that dash pad. So once that dash pad is done, then the dash pad will go in here, and then we pretty much good, man. So headliner's done. Once I finish the dash pad, we'll put that dash pad in here, pretty much put everything back together, put the seats in this thing, and she ready. She's ready. But definitely just want to bring y'all this update. It's probably a couple pieces in here I'm gonna touch again. Probably do additional coat on that. Cause looking at this sim shit, use of plastic, steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and chrome. So this is not for the carpet. It's not for the carpet, and it's not for like anything that's fabric. So still use the Duplicolor shit. So I'll probably go back and do a couple coats on that one, touch up the carpet, because it has kind of faded. Because it got some water in here from when I had the AC box open, and I didn't realize it, so I had to dry all of that out. So I ended up having to blot a lot of that water out, and with it took a lot of that dye and paint. So hit it with, like, you know, get another couple cans of that, you know, hit that up, put that back black, and then I won't take it out the car like I did last time. I just spray it right here in the car, be good. Put the seats back in. Oh yeah, I do need to address that fucking amp wire while I got it in there, because it's ran in under there, but before I run it and the RCAs and shit, I need to run that shit before I put the seats in here for good. So yeah. Then this is the trim that was around the back window. I gotta spray that black as well and get those pieces put back up in the back window. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, after that, dash pad, interior touch up, carpet and shit, and then fucking we good. We Gucci. Just pretty much, like I said, putting everything back together, and we good to go. So one step closer, man. One step closer. I want to say I'm not gonna show y'all another video of this until it's all done. I mean, of course, it'll be the video of me trying to attempt to do the dash, but until the box is just all the way put back together, I'm saying it's really not a need for another video. You know what I'm saying? Until she is put all the way together. So stay tuned, hit that notification bell, so you don't miss when that video drops. So it's your boy Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. Chevy 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel. Watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But you know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Chevy 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Gone.